Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: the nurse should use the diaphragm of the stethoscope to auscultate which of the following: number 1, heart murmurs; number 2, jugular venous hums; number 3, bowel sounds; number 4, carotid bruits. The correct answer of the question: answer number 3, bowel sounds. Rationale: the bell of the stethoscope should be used to hear low pitched sounds such as murmurs, bruit, and jugular hums. The diaphragm should be used to hear high pitched sounds that normally occur in the heart, lungs, and abdomen. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.